Today, we're going to clear up one of the most common questions about managing PDF files. What's the real difference between Adobe Acrobat Pro and Adobe Acrobat Standard? And how do you choose the right one for your workflow? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which version fits your needs, and you won't be left wondering what you might be missing. Let's dive straight in. PDFs are everywhere. We use them to share resumes, contracts, forms, reports, you name it. They're wonderfully dependable because they keep your documents formatting intact across any device, whether it's a laptop in London or a phone in Sydney. But if you need to do more than just look at a PDF, maybe you want to create, edit, or add your digital signature, that's where Adobe Acrobat comes in. Now, Adobe offers two main flavors, Standard and Pro. Let's break down what each one can do and look at what sets them apart. Starting with Adobe Acrobat. Standard, think of this as the essential toolkit for PDFs. You can create new PDF documents, edit existing ones, and add your signature. Super handy for consent forms or agreements. If you've got a bunch of PDFs you want to merge into one, or need to split a big PDF into chapters, Standard has you covered, and it doesn't take much effort. You can also convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or JPEG if you want to work with your content in another app. And let's say you need to send sensitive info to someone. You can protect your PDF with passwords and encrypt it, making sure only the right eyes see it. Standard is a great fit if you're an individual or run a small business and just want straightforward, reliable PDF management without bells and whistles. The interface is friendly and the price point is gentle on your budget. Here's something to note. Standard doesn't support OCR. That's optical character recognition. So if you scan a paper document into a PDF, Standard can display it, but it can't turn that scanned text into editable words. And if you need to redact or black out sensitive information before sharing, Standard's features here are quite limited. Now, stepping up to Adobe Acrobat Pro. This version includes everything Standard does, plus some powerful extras for folks with complex needs. For starters, Pro gives you OCR, so you can scan paper contracts, invoices, or old letters, and actually edit or copy the text digitally. That's a lifesaver if you often work with documents scanned from paper. Pro also lets you build interactive forms for things like surveys or registrations, and collect and analyze form responses. If you're working in a big organization or need to comply with legal standards by redacting sensitive data or ensuring accessibility for users with disabilities, Pro has your back with advanced tools. On the technical side, Standard is only available for Windows computers, while Pro works on both Windows and Macs. Both versions have mobile apps for editing on the go, whether you're commuting or traveling. Pricing-wise, Pro is a bit pricier, something to keep in mind if you're counting every penny, but for many, the extra features are well worth it. Let's talk real-world workflows. Suppose you regularly compare contracts or reports to spot changes. Pro automates the process and highlights differences in everything from text to annotations. If you manage dozens of files, Pro lets you organize them into PDF portfolios, almost like little folders that you can customize and share. And for integrations, both versions play nicely with Adobe apps and popular cloud storage platforms, yet Pro connects with a deeper set, making teamwork and collaboration seamless. To sum up, Adobe Acrobat Standard is a solid, affordable solution for everyday PDF tasks, like writing, signing, and sharing documents. Adobe Acrobat Pro is the powerhouse for professionals who need advanced editing, form creation, document security, or extensive integration with other tools. If your workflow tends to be straightforward, Standard is all you need. But if you work in a busy office, handle confidential information, or often scan and edit paper documents, Pro is likely your best investment. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which version you use, or if you still have questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials. I'm always here to help you unlock new skills and make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.